Okay, hi. The last two videos we already discussed. Okay, we already discussed the solution of linear equation in one variable, and so many questions we can discuss in that and solve the problems. And now also we can discuss some other problems like this: simplify and solve. First we can simplify that. After that we can solve. Find out the value of that unknown variable. First we can multiply 3 into 3, that is 3t. 3 into 3 9 equal to 5 into 2, that is 10t plus 5. We can multiply the brackets. 3 into t 3t, 3 into minus 3 minus 9 equal to 5 into 2t 10t, 5 into 1 5. Now remove the bracket first. After that we can take variables one of the sides. Now here 3t is there, 10t can be taken this side, that is minus 10t equal to 5 already there, minus 9 can be taken that side, it becomes plus 9. Now 3t minus 10t becomes minus 7t equal to 5 plus 9, that is 14. Minus 7t is equal to 14, then t equal to 14 divided by 7, minus 7 can be taken, same minus 7. Okay, therefore my answer we got t equal to minus 2. We got the final answer like this, t equal to minus 2. Like that we can solve the problems. Okay, 3 into, just we first we multiply the bracket, remove the bracket, after that so we can solve. Some other questions like this: 5 into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 10. Suppose like this. Okay, 5 into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 10. We can solve like this: 5 into 2x 10x, 5 into 1 5. First bracket we remove. After that minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 4 becomes plus 12 equal to 10. Now first we remove the brackets. After that we can multiply. Here 10x minus 3x, that only kept left side, variables only we can kept left side, other numbers can be moved right side. Therefore 10 here, plus 5 can be taken, that is minus 5, 12 can be taken, that is minus 12. Then 10x minus 3x is 7x equal to 10 minus 5 5, 5 minus 12, 5 minus 12 minus 7. Therefore 7x equal to minus 7. Then x is equal to minus 7 by 7. You got answer x is equal to minus 1. Like that we can find out the answer. X is equal to minus 1. Okay. First we remove the bracket after multiplication. Then we can solve like this. The variables we can take one of the sides. After that we can run like that. Okay. Next question: 7 into 3x minus 4 minus 2 into 5x plus 3 equal to 4 into x plus 1. 4 into x plus 1. Suppose the question is like this. We need to find out the value of x. We need to find out the value of x. First we can do like this. First we remove the brackets. The steps like this. First we remove the brackets. After that variables we can move to left side or one of the sides. Numbers on the other sides. Simplify and find out the unknown. That's the steps. Okay. 7 into 3, that is 21x. 7 into minus 4 minus 28. First bracket removed after multiplication. Next, not 2 into minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10x. Minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. Okay. Left side okay. Right side 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 1, 4. 3 brackets removed here. Now we can take x one of the sides. Okay. For here 21x already here. One other side means the equality left and right, that is considered. Okay. 21x minus 10x, that 4x can be taken this side, that becomes minus 4x equal to 4, minus 28 can be taken that side, that is plus 28. Then minus 6 can be taken that side, it becomes plus 6. Variables one of the side or left side, the numbers on the right side. Then 21 minus 10, that is 11. 11 minus 4, 7x. Here 28 plus 4, 32. 32, that is 38. 38. Then 7x equal to 38. Therefore, x you got like this. X is equal to 38 by 7. Here 38 by 7 is, the division is not possible, just we can write like that. Otherwise, just to find out the decimal. No need to find out the decimal, just to write like this. X is equal to 38 by 7. Fraction form we need to write it. Okay, fraction form. That's why the division is not possible. Direct is not a divisible. Therefore, just we write like that. Okay. Some questions we can discuss like this. After that, we can move to the word problems. Okay. Simplify and solve. Then fourth question. Fourth question. 2 into 4x minus 8 plus 7 into 5x minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 5. 1 by 2 into x plus 5. The question is like this. First we can remove the brackets. Here 2 into, that is 2 into 4, 8x. 2 into minus 8, that is minus 16, plus 7 into, that is 35x. 7 into 1, that is minus 7. First we remove these two brackets. Their fraction is there, just we can run like that. 1 by 2 kept 1 by 2 into x plus 5. No need to multiply like that, because half x plus 5 by 2, just we can kept like that. Next step we can remove that half. Okay. Here 8x plus 31x becomes, 35x becomes 43x. Minus 16 and minus 7, that is minus 23. Left side got like this. 40, after addition these two, 43x, these two, that is minus 23, equal to half into x plus 5. Now next step we can done, this by 2 can be taken this sides. Here divided by 2, that can be taken this sides, it becomes into 2. Therefore, 2 into 43x minus 23 equal to 1 into x plus 5, only x plus 5. 1 into x plus 5. Here by 2 can be taken this side. Now 2 into 43, that is 86x minus 2 into 23 means 46 equal to 1 into x plus 5 means x plus 5 itself. Now all brackets removed. Now variables we can take one of the sides. 86x minus x, this x can be taken this side, equal to 5 already there, 46 can be taken that side, it becomes plus 46. Variables on the left side, numbers on the right side. Okay. After that, 86 minus x, that is 85x equal to 46 plus 5, that is 51. Then x is equal to 51 by 85. Therefore, this is the final answer. X is equal to 51 by 85 is the final answer. It's okay. Next question, 5 into 7x minus 3 plus 3 into x minus 2 plus 4 into 3x minus 1 equal to 7 into 2x minus 9. 7 into 2x minus 10. Here total 4 bracket is there. First we can remove the brackets. After the same steps we can always we can use the same steps. First we can remove the brackets. After that variables on the one of the sides, variables left side or right side, numbers on the other side, then simplify. Okay, just we can done. 5 into 7, 35. X 5 into minus 3 minus 15, that over, plus 3 into x 3x, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, then 4 into 3x 12x, 4 into minus 1 that is minus 4, equal to 7 into 2 14, 14x minus 60, okay, 63, 14x minus 63, like this we got. Now we can take x contained in terms on one of the sides. Here 35x plus 3x plus 12x, 14x can be taken left side, that is minus 14x. Okay. After that minus 63 already on the right sides, minus 15 can be taken plus 15, minus 6 can be taken plus 6, minus 4 can be taken plus 4. Change like this. Numbers, now x contained in terms of left side, numbers can be right side, like that we got. After that we can add 35 plus 3, 38, 38 plus 12, that is 50, 50 minus 14, that is 36x, 36x, equal to, here also positive numbers like this, 15 plus 6 plus 4, that is total 25 positive numbers. Okay, 25 is here, here 63 minus 63 plus 25. What do you got answer? Minus 38 minus 63 plus 25, that is you got minus 38. Then x is equal to minus 38 divided by 36. Here both are even numbers, just you can simplify that, dividing by 2 for minus 19 by 18, minus 19 by 18, that is the final answer, minus 19 by 18. Okay, this is simplify and solve. Just we can simplify the equation, after we can find out the unknown. Here x is unknown, then we can find out. Okay. Now we can discuss the word problems based on this linear equation, one variable. We can form the equation. The last so many questions like this, already given the equation, just we can solve only. Now we need to form the equation, after that we can solve and find out what we need. Okay. Just I can read the question like this. Sum of two numbers is 95. Okay. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, if one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. We need to find the numbers. We need to find the numbers. Okay, here given like this, sum of two numbers is 95. When we consider two numbers, first number x, second number y, don't think like that, because single variable here, only one variable you need to take, not x and y. Okay, only one x or y, not x and y. Okay, here sum of two numbers is 95, and second condition is given like this, if one exceeds the other by 15. That means one of the number is 15 more than the other number. Exceeds means more than. One of the number is 15 more than the other number. Therefore, we can take like this. First number we can take as x. Then what about second number? Second number is 15 more. That means x plus 15. We can start like this. First number, we can take like this. First number as x. Here 2 numbers here. Therefore, the second number becomes x plus 15. The condition is given like that, if one exceeds the other by 15. One of the number is 15 more than the first one. Therefore, first number we can take x, second number x plus 5. We can form the numbers now. And the condition is given like this, sum of two numbers is 95. That also given there. Sum is given 95. Sum is given 95. That means sum of these two numbers we got 95. Therefore, we can write like this, x plus 15 equal to 95. We can form the equation like this. First number plus second number. First number plus second number equal to 95. Now we can solve. Okay, remaining already you know the solution of linear equation. Okay, here x plus x is 2x equal to 95. 15 can be taken that side, it becomes minus 15. Then 2x is equal to 95, that is 80. Then you got x is equal to 80 by 2. X is equal to 80 by 2. You got answer 40. You got answer 40. X is equal to 40 means we got answer first number is equal to 40 and second number is 40 plus 15, that is 55. Therefore, we got two numbers. We got two numbers which are 40 and 55. That is the final answer. We need to find out which are the numbers. Therefore, answer is 40 and 55. You know from where you got 55? X and x plus 15. 40, 40 plus 15. Therefore, you got the answer like this. Clear? We can form the equation and solve it. Okay, we need to form the equation and solve it. Okay. The next question like this. Two numbers are in the ratio. Next question is like this. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, if they differ by 18, find the numbers. We need to find the numbers. We need to find the numbers. Okay, here like this, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Two numbers are given here, the ratio is 5:3. If they differ by, that means the difference of that two numbers is given here 18. The difference of that two numbers is given here 18. We need to find out which are that numbers. Numbers are in the ratio 5:3 means we can take it like this. 5:3 means the numbers we can take as 5x and 3x. Suppose ratio is given 7:2, take the numbers 7x and 2x. Ratio, okay, just take like that. Therefore, numbers we can take like this. Numbers, because ratio is 5:3, therefore, numbers we can take as 5x and 3x. Numbers we can take as, because 5:3, ratio is given 5:3, therefore, numbers we can take as 5x and 3x. Just to multiply with a variable. Not x only, 5k and 3k, anyway you can take 5x and 3x. And second condition is given, if they differ by 18. Differ by means the difference of that two numbers is 18. Difference of that two numbers is 18 means, here the 5x minus 3x equal to 18. So, we can form, okay, already given like this, difference is 18. Therefore, we can form the equation like that, 5x minus 3x equal to 18. We form the equation now. Now, we can solve it. 5x minus 3x equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 18. Then x is equal to 18 by 2. You got answer x is equal to 9. You got the answer x is equal to 9. X equal to 9 means the numbers are. Now, we need to find, when we find out x is equal to 9, don't stop there, because we need to find, this is a word problem, we need to find out what we need. Therefore, numbers we can take as 5x and 3x. Therefore, 5 into 9 and 3 into 9. That means 45 and 27. That is 45 and 27. That is the two numbers. When the difference is 18. The ratio is 5:3. Okay. Like that we can find out answer. Okay. The next question is like this. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. 3 consecutive integers. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. Add up to 51. What are the integers? What are the integers? That's we need to find out. What are the integers? Question is given like this. When we add 3 consecutive integers, when we add 3 consecutive integers, you got answer 51. When we add 3 consecutive integers, we got answer 51. We need to find out which are the integers. Suppose already given 3 consecutive integers. Suppose we can take first integer as 6. The next integer is what? 7. After that 8. Suppose we consider 10. First one 11, 12. Integer means the positive number is also possible. Okay, just we can think about the negative one. Okay. Negative and positive, that is possible here, there. Okay. Suppose first integer we can take as x, then next becomes 1 more than, that is x plus 1. After that again 1 more, that means x plus 2, that is we can consider as 3 consecutive integers. X, x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay. Then 3 consecutive integers we can take like this. 3 consecutive integers we can take like this. First one x, then after that 1 more than, and again 1 more, that is x, x plus 1, x plus 2. These are the 3 consecutive positive integers, x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay. 3 consecutive integers we can take like this, x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. After that given here, sum of these 3 is given already 51. Sum of these 3 is given 51. Okay, we can find out the numbers. Therefore, the numbers we can take x, x plus 1, x plus 2. After condition is given, sum is given here. Sum is already given 51. Therefore, we can add this. First integer is x plus, second integer is x plus 1 plus, and third integer is x plus 2. After addition, we got 51. When we add these 3 numbers, we got answer 51. Therefore, we can add x, 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 that is 3x. 1 plus 2, that is 3. That is 3x plus 3 equal to 51. Then 3x equal to 51 minus 3. 3 can be taken. The remaining you know. That is 3x equal to 48. 48. Then x is equal to 48 by 3, that is 16. 48 by 3, we got 16. We need to find out integers. Therefore, we can find out the last integers like this. Integers normally taken like this, x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Therefore, we can take first 16, then 17 and 18. 16, 17, 18. When we add that, we got answer 51. 3 consecutive integers, when we add that, we got answer 51. Like that we can form. We can form the equation like this. After that, solve and find out. Okay.